Hey guys, I'm Steve. Welcome back to the channel. And today I want to talk about 3 tech stocks that would be good for your portfolio. Whether you're looking to add growth or you're looking to just get into the tech industry, I got three stocks that you might be interested in. Without further ado, let's jump into it. The first stock that I want to talk about is the ETF. And what the ETF is, it's the iShares Global Technology ETF, ticker symbol IXN. Now this one right here presently trading as of the time of market $52.34, and it's up to date by 2.67%. It has a 52-week range of $44.28 all the way up to $65.52. So it's right in between, in the middle of where it's at right now, as far as if you want to take a look at it or not. Now this stock right here has a portfolio. Like the name says, it's a global tech ETF, meaning it doesn't just have technology from just the States. It has technology from all over, companies from all over, and they're featured in this ETF. Now, the ETF itself comprised mainly of sensitive tech material, I guess like cybersecurity. 90% of it is technology, 2% industrial technology, and financial technology at 6.71%. And a lot of the companies that include the top 10 holdings are Apple, Microsoft, NVDA, Visa, MasterCard, Broadcom, Samsung, ASML Holdings, and Cisco. Now, the reason why I like this stock is because this particular ETF, rather, when the idea of somebody that's new and wants to get involved in investing in technology, this is something that'd be nice for you, as an option, because you get exposure to all of these tech companies I named before, and you get a chance to see their actual performance in this fund prior to, and get a little bit of understanding, while having the stock price move up and down at a slower pace, the way you can catch up and learn about ETFs, how they work, and how the sector of technology works out for you. And that's the first one, the iShares Global Tech ETF, ticker symbol IXN. Stock number 2 is Apple. Now, Apple is a $1 trillion company. We all know they make iPhones, iPads, and all those other things. Now, with the way the market is, and the news yesterday that Apple has just initiated a share buyback, meaning that the shares are not going to be as diluted as they are, and you'll get back more value for each share that you purchase with the company, making your part of the company that you own more, stronger, money wise. Now, as far as Apple's concerned, right? We go to Apple. We'll go to Apple real quick. AAPL is the ticker symbol. It's trading right now at $166, and it's off of its 52-week high of $182. Now, Apple has a small dividend that it pays, annual dividend of 92 cents per share, which is yearly, and it pays at 0.57%, so 0.5%, a little over 0.5%. Now, the thing with Apple, it has a $2 trillion market cap. Apple's one of the best run companies in the world, not just in America, in the world. And the technology they have and things that they haven't even shown us yet, are great indications that this company is going to be around in the future for a long time. Now, they have an incredible moat because they have their own system of working on their products. The products they got to set up to where the products have to go through their mainframes and databases and their technology to even function. Like a lot of times you'll have an iPhone, and the iPhone, over time start to run slow, and it makes it where like you have to go back to Apple, and you have to either re-up with a newer model or come up with some type of something else. But Apple has a good, they had good business fundamentals. The valuations as far as Apple going into the future look very good. Apple's going to be around for a long time, probably after, you know, me and you are gone. But Apple's, for now, as far as a stock that you need in your portfolio, Apple is a definite one. Now, I'm not telling you to go out and get it. This is just my opinion. Apple's a must-have if you have technology and you want growth. You know, steady growth. For the long term, Apple's a definite play for any portfolio that's out there. The third company that I want to talk about is NVIDIA, the chip maker. Now, you know, last week the government initiated that act where they're going to give funding to all these semiconductor companies, you know, in America, to try to make it to where we don't have to source a lot of the material in out of state, and we won't have these shortages with all these computer chips. And, you know, roughly that's what it's basically talking about. But yeah, NVIDIA is a good company. I have NVIDIA stock right now, and the ticker symbol is NVDA. It's trading at $189 presently, but the thing is, it has a 52-week range of $346. And the reason why I added this to the list, not only because it's a semiconductor company and we have a shortage of semiconductors, and these guys are some of the best semiconductor makers that are out. I think they still have contracts with Apple. A lot of people, if you have an Apple iPhone, you have NVIDIA chips in it. Now, the thing with NVIDIA is, at the 52-week range of 346, which is their highest they've been, since I've been investing in this stock has been on a tear. Every time the market turns green and the NASDAQ is green, a lot of time it's tied right with NVIDIA being green too. And today, like with the market taking off the way it is, NVIDIA, like you can see, shot up 2%, $3.86, you know. So it takes off a lot of times when NASDAQ takes off. But as far as a good company like Apple, I like NVIDIA. They got a nice setup, the way the company's set up. Always good news. Never hear anything bad about the company. As far as you know, the earnings and stuff like that, they usually do well in earnings. They don't really jump up and down. A lot of companies have NVIDIA as a stock that they invest, institutions. So, but yeah, these chips that they make go into a lot of everyday things, and a lot of things that are, you know, like as far as like stuff like, you know, that's needed every day to make, you know, just normal things run correctly and keep peace. But yeah, NVIDIA is a good stock. It's worth taking a look at. And these are the three stocks I'm looking at buying. You know, they might work for you. You might have them already. If you do, and they're working out, I mean, because I know if you got NVIDIA, you're doing good. I know that. You know, NVIDIA is a skyrocket. And I keep NVIDIA stock. But yeah, as far as NVIDIA, market cap of 472 billion. It's a major company. Earnings per share $3.73. And you know, it has a high PE ratio, but it's a growth stock. So I mean, it's going to have that. As far as short interest, 1.5%, which is kind of, you know what I mean. But I mean, as far as where they at, company-wise, the direction they're heading in, NVIDIA's are all go. I'm green on NVIDIA. But yeah, guys, that's it for this video. Let me know. Drop me a comment. Let me know if you got any of these stocks or this ETF, IXN. And as always, like and subscribe. I come up with new videos every day. Load up new videos every day. And that's it for me today. I appreciate you spending time with me. And you guys